Hi there. Ever wondered about buying a land in Enugu and ending up in a messy situation? Maybe losing your money to scammers? Please watch this video to the end. My name is Deborah Nwankwo, and I help people like you buy safe, verified land in Enugu without dramas or regrets. Let's talk about the 5 red flags that should make you stop and think before you pay any naira for a land in Enugu. Now, land scam in Enugu, they are real. I've seen people lose not just their money, but also their peace of mind. And it usually starts with ignoring small signs. Let me quickly walk you through 5 major red flags you should look out for. Red flag number 1, the seller has no documentation. I mean, no TFO, no deed of assignments, no survey plan. They might tell you something like, don't worry, the land is genuine. Probably the person that led you to the owner is your best friend or even a family member. Please, my darling, worry. Documentation is your protection when it comes to land transactions. And if it's not there, something is definitely off. Red flag number 2, they are rushing you to pay. They start saying things like, the land will go today, or someone else is interested in the land, though, and they don't give you time to go do your verifications. That is pressure tactics, and you should not fall for that. Land doesn't run, but scammers do. Red flag number 3, they don't want you to involve a property lawyer or a genuine realtor. They will tell you something like, let's have a man-to-man agreement, let's have a gentleman's agreement. Please never buy a property or a gentleman's agreement. Always make sure to involve a professional. You need someone to stand by you in case of any disputes, not someone who disappears after payment. Red flag number 4, the land is the family land and it's only one person that is handling the sales. In Enugu, if you are getting yourself involved in a family land, please make sure that at least 3 family members are involved during the property transaction. Because there's a possibility that others might show up later saying that they weren't informed if only one person were involved. Red flag number 5, the price is too good to be true. I get it. There are times distressed sales come up in the market, but if you're offered a property at areas like Thinkers Corner for 5 million, with a standard plot size, where we know that the property values in that area is from 20 million, 25 million to 35 million, and someone is offering a plot in that same area for 5 million. Please pause. Ask questions. There might be a catch, a legal issue, lack of access road, or even ownership conflict. Now, I'm not telling you these things to scare you. I'm telling you these things because I want you to become an informed buyer. I've seen it. My job is to protect buyers like you from making mistakes others have made. That's why I involve property lawyer, do proper checks, and only recommend verified properties. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips. Drop a comment if this helps, or share with someone who needs to see it. Talk to you soon.